Most lion. I am dragging a gazelle through the
bouncing like an infant girl. The crowd holds their breath as he goes in. Here it comes.
in the face. Right?
Let's see who they got to replace Scott.
He's back.
He's still in the game. Oh my! And he's taking a very odd tactic now. His face. Not exactly a recommended technique, but here it goes. Wait, no, Lambert needs to tie his shoe. Oh, and that's why you do a double knot, kids. Sterling, kick to happen. Probably wondering when.
Oh!
In the face.
Awesome!
Yeah,
Look, watch this one.
No.
He's back! Oh!
He's getting it in the face, right?
There is no possible way that North Carolina can mess up this shot.
I don't want to do it. Yeah.
When it's Mercy, that should be back in
That's crazy.
Crawling away from the goal. What is he doing? He's throwing away the bat.